What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted and your boy Nick. Today we're talking about how to properly do donuts and a standing burnout. Before we get into everything, make sure you guys drop that like. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. Make sure you shop beamerfam.com and get your merch. All right, so for me, doing donuts, very easy. You can do them a couple different ways. You can have the car in a low gear like first and quickly turn the wheel, pump the gas, and start sending it around. You want to even the gas out with your foot and keep it at a steady RPM so that the wheels keep spinning at a nice pace. You could also rev the car up to about 3 grand or some higher RPM, drop the clutch in, and get the tires rolling that way. My personal favorite way is to have it in a low gear and start spinning it, just because it's a little easier on the clutch than dumping the clutch straight in. As for doing a standing burnout, all you really need to do are these couple simple steps. First, you want to press in the clutch, bring the gas up to 3,000 RPM, and at the same time you want to hold the brake as you do that, like so. And when you hold it at 3,000 RPM with the brake, you release the clutch. Wheels will start spinning. You can control how fast or slow you want to go in the car by slowly releasing the brake or applying pressure to the brake and keeping the gas going. Some people like to switch their foot from the clutch to the brake and have one foot on the brake and one foot on the gas to control. That's really all there is to it. It's pretty simple. It just takes a little time and a little figuring out per car, but it's pretty easy.